Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the NSS Charger 2022 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you have a broken or damaged caster wheel, or your bearings are going out and you need to replace your caster. Very easy, there are four 14mm bolts holding the caster wheel to the machine. What you want to do is you want to take those off first. Just like that. Now take your new caster wheel to reinstall, just reverse the steps. Center your caster wheel and line up the holes. Get your bolts started. Now that we have all four bolts started, I do want to mention that on your new caster wheel, there is a grease insert right here. Go ahead and grease the bearings to prevent any wear and tear. Now all that's left to do is to tighten down the four bolts. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.